Happy holidays from Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. Today we're going to be making these little Christmas tree earrings. Super easy, super quick, great for holiday bazaars. So what you're going to need to make this guy is a couple of ear wires, a couple of teeny tiny bicones, 4mm marguerites, a 6mm marguerite, and two 8mm marguerites, cube bead, and some 2-inch head pins. I have my beads laid out in order. I'm just simply going to stack them on the head pin in the order that I have them laid out in, starting with the cube bead. That'll make the base of our tree. The first marguerite, the second marguerite, same size, the third marguerite, a little bit smaller, and the final marguerite, smallest of the three, and finally we're going to put a little tree topper on there with our bicone. Nice. Now we're going to do a wrapped loop. So what you're going to want to do is make sure that your head pin is pressed all the way up. I'm going to go ahead and grab your your round nose pliers. I'm going to go ahead and grip right above the final bead in the stack. Go ahead and push the head pin forward to a 90-degree angle. Go ahead and remove your jaws. Switch it so the bottom jaw is resting in the 90-degree fold. Fold the wire back towards you. Remove your jaws. Place the bottom jaw into the fold. Wrap your wire around so that it's facing away from you. Go ahead and remove your round nose pliers. You're going to grip that loop you just made with your flat nose pliers to keep it straight. Go ahead and grab your chain nose. Grab right at the end and start wrapping this guy around here. Being careful not to wrap too far down, because if you wrap down around the bicone, it could actually crack your crystal. So you want to be careful not to wrap too far down. About there, it's looking pretty good. Okay, we're going to clip off the excess with our flush cutters. Okay. Looking pretty good. Now we're just going to open up our ear wire using some flat nose pliers. This is just like a jump ring, just twist it open. Depending on which side is the open side. I think on this one it's this side. Go ahead and twist it open just like a jump ring. Add our Christmas tree on there. Twist it closed just like a jump ring. And there you have it. Beautiful Christmas tree earring, ready for the Christmas bazaar.